Today we will teach you in this kind of design, a new style crochet design. This video tutorial is we will use cord, this one a tiny cord, and we will make in this kind of design today in this video tutorial. Okay, so watch until the end of our video tutorial. We will use 4mm, then 36 yards. 4mm cord. This is not a faded cord. At first, we need to here, then here. We use number 3. This is a number 3 hook. Okay, then twist it. That. Here. We will make we will make 26 single chain. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25, then we make it 26. Then we go here, then pick like that, then insert here. Okay, and then like that, turn and here, then pick and go, then get here, then like that, then get, just repeat, then here again, here like that. Okay, and then okay, just watch and focus so that you will get the exact way. Okay, then again, just do it until here. As you can see, so that we will get the exact style that we need. We just to follow the exact way. Okay guys, it is very easy and simple. Okay, see, for the new beginners that who are interested or willing to learn, this video is for you, this tutorial is for you. Then we are here and here, okay, and pick, then okay, then go like that, then turn. As you can see here, we go here and that, then okay, and that, okay, and just repeat as we do on the first row. This is the second row. This is the second row now. We are in the second row now. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for the new notification and new video tutorial so that you will receive, okay? I want to update daily of our new video tutorial so that you can get new ideas every day. Okay, just repeat until you commit the desired style, the desired length, and the desire of how many or how many centimeter you want to. It's up to you, okay? Just follow the instruction as you watch this video tutorial. Just follow it and you will get our new design. Just follow. If you are a beginner, you may click and watch over and over so that you will learn. Okay, you can do it, you can make it. I know you can make it. Then here, okay, there, then add, then turn as you see until here. Now we are in the we are in the third row here. Then okay, and okay, then like that. By the way, don't forget guys to subscribe and hit the bell so that you will receive our new videos tutorial. Okay, just follow the instruction guys. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. We are now in a third row. For our next video, we will teach you I will teach you in a new style, new design. Okay, just keep on watching and click the bell and subscribe so that you will get a new video, new notification of my channel. Okay, and then until here, just do it again and again. Okay, until it will get your desired centimeter, yeah, the desired exact, the desired length that you want. Then just do it, repeat and repeat again and again. This video tutorial, this kind of design that I'm gonna teach you now, this is it looks like. This is it looks like. Okay, so just continue and follow, repeat again and again all over until you want the exact length you desire, length or centimeter. Then just do it. Okay, this is it looks like if you done. Okay, this is the outcome if you are done, and this is how I'm gonna teach you now. Okay, just follow all over. Okay, so thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and please follow our new videos for new notification. Thank you and God bless.